this is Dr. Shanahan, your professor for teaching grammar and punctuation. I am very excited to work with you in this course and to learn with you and from you and talk about grammar together and how it can apply to each of your classes and your students, no matter what age that you teach. I myself am a former 8th grade language arts teacher, and I also worked for 2 years as a curriculum coordinator at the same middle school where I taught, working with teachers, ELA teachers, and teachers across disciplines on helping them incorporate literacy into their different content areas. Now at EKU, I teach courses in the middle childhood program, like the disciplinary literacy course and ELA methods. And I'm also the coordinator for our graduate literacy program. So I teach various courses through that program as well, including this one. So this is my video and model for you of how you might go through introducing us to yourself and talking through some of the questions on the survey of beliefs about grammar and teaching grammar. So the first question that I'm going to talk about is that first one. What is the purpose of teaching grammar? I think to me, overall, the purpose is to help our students become better readers and writers. By teaching grammar, we're teaching them to pay attention to the words that authors use and why they use them and what they're learning from them. And then in doing so, how they can make similar moves as writers to improve their own writing. By teaching these skills to help our students become better readers and writers, we're in turn giving them the skills to participate better in our society as a whole, getting a job, communicating with others, all of these things grammar has a role in. So in this course, we'll be looking at the teaching of grammar through the lens of teaching reading and writing as well. The second question that I'm going to talk through is, where did I acquire knowledge about teaching grammar or grammar in general? For me, as with most of you probably, it began back in grade school. Learning grammar, a number of my teachers were really big on diagramming sentences. I don't know if you had that same experience. I actually enjoyed it, but I know that many others did not. Not to say that it's bad. I think it can provide a really good visual for students and as a way of thinking about words and how they fit together and comprise sentences. So I started there. I've continued to learn more about grammar by teaching it to others, and also by being a reader and a writer myself. So that's my introduction. I'm looking forward to working with you. Please let me know if you have any questions as you go through this screencasting process yourself. I want you to start to feel more and more comfortable with it. Please don't feel like it has to be something extremely scripted or formal or without the word like I say all the time. So I hope that you start to feel more comfortable with it and get used to using this technology to enhance your own learning and possibly your teaching as well. Looking forward to it. Thanks.